What up, y'all? It's David, guys. We're back at it with another drinking game. That was so lame. But nigga, Mark Mango, nigga. Man, drinking game over. Man. All right, bro. So we're gonna do it.
Does go good with the Henny though.
You might as well just hand me that fucking lemonade while you're at it, bro. Just as a solid. Thanks. But yeah, so we're gonna do this fucking drinking game. Every time there's a fucking whip sound of some fucking whip crack, any of that BS, take a sip of whatever the fuck we're drinking, I guess. Yeah, we'll see how much of a mess this video is actually.
Good lord.
Yeah. All right. So. Yep. Let's get right into it. Let's find out.
What you doing?
Isn't it all?
This is like already fucked up. Well, here we are. It's not terrible. Fuck. Oh my goodness, the aftertaste is shit.
Where are you, sheep?
What is this nigga doing?
There you are.
Fuck. I heard it. You almost 3. I only heard 1. Oh my goodness, bro. What the fuck? Oh fuck. God damn it. I did not want to smell that shit, man.
I'm sorry.
Alright. Shit. You know what? Was it really 3? Like
there's the fucking the one where he tackled him, and at least 2.
At least 2. So I'll take another sip to that.
You are not Bo Peep.
Fuck. Bro, no fucking way, bro. Wait. Alright. My bad. So, goddamn it, these niggas didn't even see it, but this is basically what happened. Fucking, bitch.
And those are cards.
Oh my goodness. So.
You are not.
Oh my god. Immediately, that's a whip, and right after.
Bo Peep. And those are cards.
That's 2 right there, bro. Like, OMG, this is how are we gonna make it through this video? What the fuck?
Are we?
I'm off to see Grandma.
You are not Red Riding Hood. You are.
Oh my
Johnny.
god, bro, that's fucking 2 in a row. Hold on. This is by far like if I would have done this with like actual vodka, like oh my god, nigga, what the fuck? Like we would probably die of alcohol poison. Like this kills people, bro. This fucking whip shit. If that was just slave times, nah, this kills people. This actually. Oh.
Wait. What happens at Red Riding Hood?
And I like how we're just not even like watching this for the plot anymore.
just fucking for the fucking whips sound effect.
Bro, I hear it and I just hear it like every time now for some reason.
It's just so prominent.
Oh my god. Oh.
I am not saving you anymore.
What the fuck? I love that dog, bro.
Time for school.
Why is this nigga? Hey bro, I'm not even gonna lie. This is an interesting part. This is an interesting time in Johnny Test's life right here, bro. He's dressing all gay and shit.
He literally just came out the closet.
He literally just came out the closet like, what's going on here, writers?
Trying to tell us something?
Oh.
9 years
Okay, I'll
ago?
save you.
9 years ago, bro.
One more time. Go.
Time for school.
Okay, I'll say.
God damn, I knew it. I fucking had. I was in like my. I was like, I knew. I was like, I thought we missed one.
Bro, it's the fucking his neck, son. His neck really made the fucking his neck turn and really made the.
Like, bro,
You serious, man?
why is only Johnny Test with this dumb shit, bro? Like,
I want to see like a fucking new anime 2022 do this shit.
like, bro,
Maybe one more time.
we're only 45 seconds into the actual video. What the
Put your
hell?
normal clothes on.
Did I miss one?
Go.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, I'll save you one more time. Go and put your normal clothes on.
The hell?
Johnny?
What?
Well, this is his 100th episode, so just
It is the 100th episode.
sprayed him with your fairy tale spray.
What'd you first? Oh my god, what'd you put in that Fanta, by the way?
Henny.
Oh god, Fanta and the Henny.
Oh,
Fanta and the fucking Henny.
I'm feeling it.
Yikes! Yeah, my friend over here. Yikes! I think. Fuck.
It was like 2.
I think so. Like, I really can't keep up with this. Like, I'm just subliminally hitting this shit now. Like, bro.
He has not had.
Oh my god. Alright, so let me just go from the top. Please let me just go from the top real quick.
It's like every time. It's like every time.
It's just like every time, bro. It's literally every time, bro.
Well, this is his 100th episode,
You got
so
that
you sprayed
one.
him with your fairy tale spray.
Johnny has not had 100 episodes.
Really? Here's episode 98, Johnny Bo Peep.
Fuck it. That's 5 though. That's 5 in a fucking row. Why did you make this a what? What? Why would you? You knew what you were doing. Like what? Bro, it's literally like every second, bro.
It's Johnny Test though, so like.
Wow.
Bro,
They literally abused. They
abused that sound effect.
to the fucking full. It's like they fucking trademarked that shit.
They was like, yo, your budget for sound effects is like $2.
Johnny Test said, "We're the most racist, nigga." What? Oh my god, this is like that one thing from fucking Family Guy when they're at the pilot episode when they were just doing, you know what I'm saying, fucking chugging beer. You don't remember that song?
Wait, what?
Hold on, son. This shit right here, bro.
Break till she's hot. Hey, that's just crazy enough to work.
Wait.
Episode 99.
Oh fuck! I didn't even fucking do the full 5. What the fuck? And then there's another 5. So fuck, I only did like 1.
Oh god. He just did 1, so I did 6.
Alright, fuck. That is absolutely. Yeah, what?
Jesus Christ.
And now, here's
Oh my god.
100 episodes.
We already got
Really?
those. Bro.
Here's episode 98, Johnny Bo Peep. Episode 99,
One.
Little Red Riding Johnny. And now,
2.
this.
Yep, that makes 100 episodes. The fairy tale spray was
4. Oh my god, I hear it. It's so I can barely pick it up. I hear it. They're doing it still. Like
It's just there.
It's there. Like, oh my god.
They really just made that a core element of this show.
That's not cool, man. That's like, oh my god. That's actually not. That's not brilliant at all, bro.
Can I survive?
How many did you even count? Like 5. I counted 4 initially, right? So
Yeah.
it has to be like 5, probably, right? We can probably be safe and say it was like 5. If it,
Fuck, probably, son.
damn.
At this point. We're not even 2 minutes in, man.
We're not even 2 minutes in, bro. Like
I really gotta like sip this shit, son.
I really have to say this is like crazy. What the fuck? I can't imagine somebody like full on committing doing shots to this dumb
Bro,
shit.
no. So
There's you-
they're going to the hospital.
You would die, no cap.
Like, my stomach's feeling it already, son.
God damn. What the fuck? Yeah, this is not cool.
Just really gotta sit with this shit with Johnny Test. Johnny Test don't play. Maybe this is what the staff writers were doing.
Yeah, they were just like, bro, we're so fucking bored of our job. Let's be lazy and be like making drinking games, this dumb shit. Like, it's not even about the plot no more, bro. It's just we're just doing this shit for the whips, bro. I've seen Johnny Test in a completely different light now, literally just from this whip shit. Like,
fucking stoners and alcoholics with fucking production rights. They're having a game. It's like, yeah, bro. What if like this little boy had his twin genius sisters, man?
like,
Just making inventions and have wacky adventures and shit.
no, bro, that's ridiculous, man. That's ridiculous, man. Hold up. All right, let's get back to this dumb shit.
That makes 100 episodes. The fairy tale spray was meant to be used on Gil. So he would think he's in a fairy tale and fall in love with Princess Us.
Bro.
Gil.
But you didn't use it on Gil. You tested it on Johnny.
6,
And what fairy tale is Frozen Boy?
7.
No idea.
like, bro, come on. That's 7. That's literally like 7 in a row.
This was not meant for shots.
This was definitely not meant for shots. This was meant for like the weakest fucking wine, alcohol.
This is like 0.1%.
Like, you have to drink a lot of this shit for that shit to be real. I'm gonna count that for 2. Fuck that.
Oh, 7. Fuck.
Oh shit. Fuck. And it's gotten to the point where I don't even taste the mango anymore. Like, it just tastes good now for some reason.
Even though he's in a fantasy state, his
Alright.
And what fairy tale is Frozen Boy?
no idea. Even though he's in a fantasy state, his vital signs are normal. However, none of the antidotes we developed so far work.
Fuck that
Well,
monkey.
we better cure him fast. Dad's not gonna like a catatonic son sitting at the dinner table. And dinner's in 1 hour.
Fuck dinner, bro. Fuck that fucking concept where they always had to fucking like do this shit because dinner was like this
The
nigga.
family dinner that everybody had to attend to.
I swear that nigga beat them children, bro. Like, I'm talking about
If you don't fucking sit down and enjoy my meatloaf
at 6 o'clock every fucking day.
every day, you're gonna
Holy
see
shit.
bad dad.
Like, that nigga, you're gonna see hard daddy, and
Hard
it's
daddy.
just fucking beats the fuck ass kids.
God.
All right, that's 3 right there, I think.
Oh shit, yeah, I forgot.
Yeah. Yikes. Fuck. I hate this shit.
Johnny, we love you, and we can't figure out how to stop this stupid spray!
What was that? What beat?
Johnny's emotion meter. It rose when Susan pleaded with him. That's it! If we can create a more powerful connection to his physical world, that might overpower Johnny's fairy tale-induced mental world!
Is that like 8? What the
Kinda
fuck?
like 10.
That's 10? Oh my goodness, bro. That cannot be 10.
Just
What the fuck, bro? Oh my
10
goodness.
whips, bro.
That's 10 whips, bro.
10 whips, 10 sips.
Wow. What is today? Fucking Monday? How is everybody's Monday? Or whenever the fuck this goes out. How's your day? Comment that down below. I know Monday's gonna be shitty because I have to fucking edit all this dumb shit. By my lonely stupid.
Fucking Garfield's out in the chat. Niggas hate Mondays.
Yeah.
Listen, not gonna lie, Mondays usually be pretty chill. Not a lot be happening.
This is fucking retarded. What the fuck? Like, this is like a, like, is this gonna be really a whole episode? Like, this isn't gonna be a short, like, bro, we only have that much alcohol, like, to be real with you, like.
Great! What does that mean?
If Johnny hears
Bro.
real stories about the real people
Bro.
he's closest to, his emotions will
Bro.
snap him out of his fairy tale world.
It just keeps going, son. It just keeps going.
Like, at this point, we only have to continue the episode. What's done is done. Like, this shit is, like, pretty much over with. Like, I don't think I have any more alcohol. Like, I can check my freezer. But, like, the show literally did it to like, it did its purpose. No cap. This is a drinking game, and we succeeded at drinking, but
Why'd he die?
yeah, what the fuck? What more can I say? That's a drinking game. We won. What? Nigga? That's worth like 4 sips. It's like half a sip. That was it. That's what we came to see.